Today we're talking about aging LED lamps. Some airports have called in asking how long do these lamps last? The truth is we don't really have any idea, but the fact is you will have to change the lamps. So a failing lamp reveals itself as a frequent reset on the signs. So if you happen to be visiting a sign, let's say 3 times in the last couple of weeks, you probably have a failing lamp. So when the next time you head out to that particular sign, let's take a look at a few things before we change out any lamps. Make sure the connections are all tight on the controller as well as on each lamp socket. Make sure we don't have any debris inside the sockets. Make sure we don't have any loose lamps. And if all of that is tight and clean, you may want to consider replacing the lamps of that particular sign. But don't panic. We're not saying to replace all the lamps and all your signs, but because we've got plenty large installs, even from 2011, that have had very infrequent lamp changes. Once the 4-year warranty has expired, you may want to consider purchasing some lamps, let's say 10%. Use those lamps over the next 4, 6, 8 years and change out those particular signs. Now once that lamp stock has been depleted, then you may want to consider assessing all the signs in that particular installation. All right, because we want you to enjoy the minimal maintenance that is expected from your LED system.